Hello everyone, this is my review of this bidet handheld jet sprayer. These are the components it comes with. It's pretty easy to install. Just turn off your water, drain the water from the tank, then unscrew the water line to the tank, attach the T-fitting, then attach the water line to the T-fitting, then attach your bidet hose to the T-fitting, then attach your nozzle, and you can put your nozzle rest directly onto your tank, or you can screw it to the wall. Okay, it comes with screws, so you can attach it to the wall, and that's about it. Turn back on your water, and you're very good to go. It has a really good jet stream, so I hope this review helps.